Hey guys, G123 here. Welcome back to another video, and welcome back to another video. Wait, what? I just said that twice in a row. So I'm gonna be playing through the facility with Sognac Gaming. Huh! Right now. Oh! Who is the beast? Who is the beast?
Yes, finally.
Okay, I'm a survivor. Okay.
Here.
It is Millen. Oh, crap.
I'm coming to that signal. I'm gonna help someone with that computer.
I'm the one that just got messed up.
Gotta turn my music off.
Ah! Yeah.
Get run. Oh wait, no. Hack.
What happened?
I heard a heartbeat.
He
And I
messed
heard
up. He- Run! Holy crap. Caleb. Oh my gosh. Get back in.
Run!
It's camping.
Run away. Run another computer.
I'm at the computer again. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh. Oh my gosh. I found you.
Hack.
Oh my gosh. That was so close.
I was actually there.
Oh my gosh. Come on, we have to hack this. Oh my gosh. I can't believe we survived there. Oh my gosh. I literally can't. Oh, this person keeps. I think we should. If I was myself, I would go help this person. Come on, this way.
I'm at the computer. I'm at that computer, Jet.
You are?
We haven't even hacked.
What? Come on, we
It
have to
still
fix.
has some buttons on it.
Oh, it was? Okay. There's 2 computers left. Oh, there's one. Caleb, where are you?
Going to that computer.
Okay. Where is it? Oh, I found you. We have to get up. Come on. It's on the other side. This person sucks. This person literally is terrible at this game.
Please stop hacking.
Okay. Okay, we did it.
Get one more computer.
Oh my gosh, this is intense. Like, oh my.
Jet.
Let's go through this way. Oh, somebody was captured. No. Go through this way. No, I got stuck. I'm pretty sure.
Pretty sure there's one in here.
Oh, there's a door. Oh, no, that's not a door. That's one person stuck. Oh, well. Let's leave them. I want to be a nice friend and everything, but there's no point in saving them. We're already here. Come on. Let's go through this door. Yeah, let's go through here. Mm-hmm. Yeah, in here.
Being here is it.
Yes.
Is there one?
Yeah. There is. Oh, yes. Ha! Hack. No. Don't mess up like that.
Close to a door, too.
Look, they're coming in.
Just keep hacking until they get in.
They're coming in. You keep hacking. I'll distract them. They left!
You juke them?
Yes. That was literally crazy. They're coming back! Escape! I'm escaping! Oh my gosh, I found them! They're going that way. Go this way. Go to this door. I'm escaping this way. Oh my gosh. Holy crap. We've had some close calls today.
This is actually intense.
I found a door. Yes! Get up! Yes! They even could have got us as well, but they didn't. They left. They literally left. That is dumb. Where's the last person? Oh, they're gonna
We
die.
literally got all the computers except for one.
Literally. Only, guess what? Literally, we could have been caught, but no. He just decided to leave because I juked him. Well, this person's gonna lose. Oh my gosh! He's literally... He brought her to the door! He literally brought her to the door! That was the worst.
Outside of the cabin, and there's a map boat.
Oh my gosh, literally, that was the worst beast ever. That was the worst beast ever.
Oh, this one.
I've never tried abandoned prison though.
I guess, if you want.
Yeah. Literally. That was the worst ever! Literally. They didn't even try. They brought one of them to a door. That was the worst of the worst.
Hey, you ready to see me do some parkour?
They made the parkour impossible because you can't jump that high.
Yes, you can.
Well, I said literally impossible. Not impossible. Okay. I made it. What's up here? There's nothing up here. Just the lobby. Oh my gosh.
Parkour continues. I'm a survivor still. I can remove the police equipment. Oh my god, this is scary. This map is actually scary. I spawned out a computer.
You did?
I don't know why when we play this I want to whisper. You have to hunt someone else now.
I do? I wonder if somebody's gonna come for you. Well, don't they worry. I'll be waiting for them. Well, you're gonna die.
Understand, no one's gonna come for you, right?
Yeah. That's why I'm leaving. You wanna know the reason they're not gonna come for you? They don't know how. That would be so funny.
No, I don't want to die! No! Someone came to save me the second I died.
I found an exit. Oh well. You're dead. So, okay. Lesson learned. Don't mess with me. I'm literally thinking that no one is here. Oh my goodness. Found somebody. What happened?
Okay, good. That's it up.
Well, guys, I did it. I hope you guys all enjoyed that video. Please leave a like and comment. I'll see you later. Goodbye.